Welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Bitcoin for this weekly analysis video. I'm just going to pay attention to the daily time frame. So this is obviously a daily chart, and I just wanted to show you something that I've noticed here. So this black line here that we've got drawn all the way from the first push has been respected now for multiple occasions during this bull run that we have. We previously did break out twice here, but as of 3rd of August, we've actually closed above and back into our trend line. So that was almost like a fake breakout. So that is good to hear for Bitcoin holders. And then another thing that I wanted to point out is the reversal pattern that we have here. So it's just basically the double bottom from 9439. So that position here at our key level has been important because we had that multiple rejection here, which has forced the buyers to come back into play now. So it has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days of buying now for Bitcoin. So the bull run is still is basically back on now. So what I will be looking for, so if you just take it to the 4 hourly, and just going to get rid of all of the drawings here. This is from the last week's analysis, and like I said in the other videos, if you want to have a look at how well we did, go ahead and check out the profit update video. So yeah, so back into this. So what I want to see is this potential for us to get into a strong buying position. So we obviously see this position here right now. If we do close in the next hour 15, especially above this, this would be a potentially good buying opportunity. But for a more secure buying potential, I will be waiting for price to come back up to this zone and also test the key level at 1152. So I should probably draw it up to that level. Potentially find resistance here, and see if price is able to close within this zone before we get a breakout, and that would be our signal for us to buy. And potentially we could aim to our next key level. So it could look something like that. So something along the lines like that would be brilliant. The stop loss is not in scale for now. We just have to wait until price action gets there. So if we do fail to get to, if we find rejection from this part here, it will be interesting to see if we do close again below the trend line. And what I will be looking for shorts, if that is to happen, this would confirm a short for me. If we push to the downside below the trend line, a retest of the trend line again on the top, and then a close below this level, and that would signal us to go down. So we could be looking shorts at any position of the way if we find price to break and close below our upwards trend channel. So that would be all for Bitcoin, and I'm just going to quickly show you our Twitter page that we post. So we post all our updates on here, including all of our entries, so it's with the analysis especially on top. So it will be good for people who are interested in how I'm trading, and if you want to get into how I'm trading, that'd be absolutely great if you could. And then obviously if you have any questions, you can message me through Twitter, and it would be good for yourselves in terms of your learning career for trading. So if that does interest you, so go ahead and follow our Twitter handle at KMTRADERS_, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly updates. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you next week.